Welcome to part 2 of our review of chapter 28, multiple regression from sdm4. The first part of this video really described the descriptive aspects of multiple regression and went through some of the examples. For the second part, I'm really going to focus on the inferential aspects. So if we jump to the inference section, the bottom here of page 825 brings us into some of these inferential things, and we really see that on the part of the output that we ignored before, that we now have an ANOVA table that's associated with this model. That's our overall test of the model, and we also have these standard errors for each of our regression coefficients, plus the intercept. And so this really, the new part here is using the same approaches we did for inference for linear regression. We're going to let R do the calculation for things. The hard part really is thinking about the coefficients. The just checking is a great thing to be looking at in terms of these interpretations as well as some of the inferential things. And finally, the learning outcomes, looking at how we're going to be going ahead and doing some other things. The last part of this is really thinking about the multiple regression models as a way of comparing them and how we might be thinking about that. Much of that is really thinking about what we might do in a more advanced course, but this really gives some kind of basic instructions as how you might proceed using the adjusted R squared and some other measures. Everything is very straightforward in the output and how to do this in R. We now have through the M summary command will give us these standard errors, t-values, p-values, as well as the overall tests of the model. So nothing really new here. It's just thinking about things in higher dimensions.